big dog motorcycle 360-degree riding. This is my 2017 Big Dog K9 clone, and this is the first time I'm testing out this new mount. It's a little after 7 p.m. and 360-degree cameras really don't do that good in low light, but hey, it's not bad. Anyway, when you're watching this, see if you can guess where the camera is or who's taking the pictures. Probably right now you're thinking, some guy's standing there and he's taking the pictures. But as you'll see in a second, you'll be wrong. Again, I said I was testing out the new camera mount, and this camera mount is forward on my bike. The camera is completely stationary. I'm doing the editing in post-production, so I'm changing the angles and what you can see. My own personal opinion is that this is the best video camera, also still camera, that you can get for filming your motorcycle rides. It's an Insta360 One X, and you'll see a picture in a couple minutes of it. It's really compact, and as you can see, even in low light, it does a pretty good job. I have some links in the description that you can click on and pick up this camera with 3-day FedEx free shipping, and also they're picking up the tax at the moment. Anyway, enjoy. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give me a like, share, or comment, and mark our YouTube channel as one of your favorites. This way you'll be notified every time we publish a new video. Take care.